2024, what happened? I had a blast. I hope you had a blast as well. I learned so much from this podcast. I want to thank you, everyone that's been a guest on Leadership in Manufacturing podcast, that they spend their time with me, they share their learnings, they share their insights and their advice for everyone that wants to become a much better leader. I learned a lot. Even when I re-listen to the episodes, I still consider and say, oh my God, that's a nugget. Oh, that's what I want to do. That's a good action point. That's how I can do with company culture. Oh, this is how I should communicate something new or with the strategy. So be sure to check out previous episodes if you missed one. So check out leadershipmanufacturing.com. It's right there. You can scroll through the episodes and see which one you want to re-listen to. Or check out a new one, maybe an old one. But be sure to check it out. I want to say thank you for listening. And I can't wait for next year, for 2025 to arrive, which is really soon, right? And in the meantime, stay curious, keep learning, and see you next year.